Hello everyone. Now let's see how actually we can handle a null values. Now if you will see, if I'll go into the people, right? In the people, if you'll see, right, we have already selected this a column quality and a column profile, column distribution. Now if you will see here, we are getting a multiple null values. Now this null values, right? These are actually occupying the space also. You can see in the both column 1 and the column 2, we have a multiple null values is coming, and this value if you want to remove that, how actually you can do. So for that, what you have to go, you have to come here. If you after that, you have to come into the remove rows, and if you click on the remove a blank rows, right, just click that. You can see whatever the blank rows was there here, right, that actually got removed. So if you have a multiple column where the null values is coming, that if you want to remove, you have to come into the remove rows column, click on the remove blank rows, that blank rows will be removed. So that is the one way. Now second thing is like, if you come here, now here in one in the postal column, right, in the postal code, we are getting a most of the empty column, right, most of the column where the value is coming null. Now that value actually you want to replace with something. How actually you can do that? Right click, and once you will right click, right, you will get one option, replace value. Suppose this value you want to replace with this null value, you want to replace with the 0. So what you have to write, replace with the 0. If you click on the OK, right, whatever the null was actually it was coming, right, that actually got replaced with the 0. So if you have a null value and that value you want to replace with some value, that actually you can mention here and that will come. Now suppose your client is saying this null value, right, this value actually you want to replace with a NA. How actually you can do? So I'll select that, click on the replace value. This null value I want to replace with the NA. Now if I'll click on the OK, right, now you can see I'm getting one error. Why actually I'm getting one error? Because this postal code, this particular postal code, the column, right, that is in numeric. And what actually it is coming error, we are getting error, this null we can't replace with the NA. So for that, what you have to do, first this postal code, this you have to convert into a text, and after converting the text, right, you can perform the same operation. So I will, what actually I will do, replace values, a null I want to replace with the NA, not available. Now you can see, now actually it got replaced. Now here if you will see, if you click on the remove rows and remove blank rows, this will not be removed. So blank rows only will happen. So if you have a multiple in the both the column, both the values are null. If you have a 5 column, in the all the 5 column values are coming null or blank, in that case the remove rows will work. But suppose only the 1 2 column where the values are not coming properly, in that case what you have to do, we generally have to replace with the some value. So that is the thing we have to remember. So I hope you got the idea, like how actually we can handle the null values.